Pingyang Huayi Machinery Company Limited, established in 2001, is a premier Hong Kong-invested high-tech enterprise with over 2 decades of expertise in the research and development and manufacturing of high-end rubber molding equipment. Backed by a professional research and development team led by master engineers in mechanical manufacturing from Tsinghua University, Huayi possesses powerful technical innovation capabilities. We notably achieved a historic breakthrough by developing Asia's first ultra-large rubber injection molding machine with a clamping force of 2,400 tons, establishing our leading technical position in the industry. Our comprehensive product portfolio includes various series of rubber injection molding machines, vacuum compression molding machines, rubber transfer presses, and LSR pump machines. Huayi's equipment is extensively applied in critical sectors such as automotive components, high-voltage power transmission insulators, railway infrastructure shock absorption, and precision mechanical seals. Adhering to strict international standards with ISO 9001 and CE certifications, Huayi has successfully built a solid reputation in the global market. Our business footprint spans over 20 countries and regions across Asia, Europe, and South America, where we have established long-term strategic partnerships with numerous world-renowned downstream component manufacturers and industrial enterprises. Driven by the philosophy of quality first, Service Best Huayi is dedicated to providing easy-to-install, stable, and energy-efficient rubber molding solutions, combined with worry-free after-sales support, empowering our customers to not only meet standards, but to achieve excellence in a competitive market.